Bancha and Umeboshi have been useful for a long time in helping the stomachache or catching a cold. Adding a Kudzu starch powder to it makes the body warm to get healthy again. Ingredients are Kudzu starch powder, umeboshi, soy sauce, juice of ginger, and boiled bancha. Mash the umeboshi up in a Japanese teapot with chopsticks. Add soy sauce and 2 or 3 drops of ginger juice, and then give bancha to it. Put in a small pot. Dissolve the Kudzu starch powder in the same amount of water. Pour it to the pot and stir it. When it gets transparent, it's done. Directly after cooking, we shouldn't drink it at once because it's very hot. Add double the Kudzu starch when you have a stomachache. It not only protects the bowels, but also helps us with taking nutrients more quickly.